Biotechnology is essentially just how can we use microbes to accomplish an ends to a means. And it's very important because it's used in many different fields, everything from agriculture to food production to beer to cheese. Our company, Lilac, we use microbes that farmers then apply to their seeds, and then those microbes fix nitrogen for the plant. NDSU is a great launching platform for my career, particularly in biotechnology. They gave us all the skills we needed in the lab, hands-on experience. I worked at a startup during college. I also got to work in a lab. We had different projects like the iGEM competition, which focuses around a biotechnology project. I am very confident in the biotechnology faculty on campus. They're always willing to help the students if you ask them for advice, and they just do a really good job teaching. It is one of the best programs. It's very diverse. You can go into a lot of different industries. A lot of the information you learn in the biotechnology program can be applied to medicine. It can be applied to microbiology. You can apply it to chemistry. In fact, there's a chemistry minor built into the biotechnology program. It's really a good launching platform for many different careers just because of the diversity of the actual field. Students should study the biotechnology program at NDSU because NDSU gives students the opportunity to succeed.